say right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with the heater. The devil under your feet, you on your way to see him. Stretch me when I can't sleep, bang on when I see you. Play with me, you can't.
It's your boy Cameron. I'm back at you with another YouTube video, man.
Man, get the hell out of here, man. It's your boy Almighty Gus, and I'm coming back to you for another. Today I'm gonna give you guys tips and tricks on how to help you grow your dreadlocks a lot faster. And yeah, you can still use these tips and tricks if you got a little time for it. But first thing I'm gonna do before we get any further in this video is I'm gonna go in the shower and I'm gonna wash my hair. And hopefully you guys see the difference in my dreadlocks length when I come out, alright? See you guys in a second. Just a quick video for y'all to see how long my actual hair is when I get out the shower. I just finished washing my hair. I literally just finished washing my hair and letting the conditioner sit in. And that's how my hair looks, you guys. Alright, what's up, you guys? I just finished washing my hair. I'm back out the shower. So let's get started with everything. The tips I have for you guys to help your hair grow a lot faster. First tip, you must keep your hair moisturized. Oiling your hair every other night plays a big role in helping your dreadlocks grow a lot faster. If you keep your hair dry and you don't oil your scalp, your hair is not going to grow at a high speed like how you think. I oil my hair like every other day. I start by basically going through the roots or whatever, and I oil through the lines you can't see. But basically, I'm gonna give you guys a brief example. So basically, I'll do it like this, go this way, go this way. I basically just do it with the pattern of my parts. Second tip I have for you guys: wrap your hair before you go to bed. I'm pretty sure you guys hear this 1,000 times. Wrapping your hair helps keep your hair hanging down, keep it in a form or whatever style you want. If you want your hair going backwards, wrap your hair going backwards. If you want to hang down over your face, wrap your hair. What I tend to use is a wave stocking cap. This plays a big role in wrapping your hair. Open my hands up like this, get my hair nice and down, wrap it just like that. Nice and easy. Pretty simple. Go to sleep like this, you wake up, take it off. Hair as good as new. Third tip I have for you guys: eat healthy and drink lots of water. Your diet plays a big role in how fast your hair grows. If you eating fast food, junk food all the time, drinking cans of soda, that's the stuff you put in your body. How you expect to have good results in your hair? Drink water, eat fruits, vegetables. All those stuff helps your hair grow fast and keeps you healthy. I mean, why not do it? Fourth tip I have for you guys: if you are going to work and you work at, me for instance, I work at a pizza shop. If you're going to work and you're around flour or anything that you feel as though can be stink or get in your hair, wrap your hair up. Every time I go to work, I wrap my hair up. You don't want pizza dough or flour or anything getting stuck in your hair. It makes your hair stinks and it builds up. It causes build up. You do not want that stuff going on your hair. You want to keep your hair nice and fresh. You want your hair to smell good. You want your hair to be fresh. It's not a wave to have your hair stink. Like, there's nothing wrong with you guys taking care of your hair, having your hair smell clean and fresh. Wrap your hair up. The fifth tip I have for you guys, I'm gonna keep it nice and short. Wash your hair at least every 10 days. And this is only for the people who hair already locked. If you got started locks, do not wash your hair. Your hair is gonna unravel. Like, please don't wash your hair. But if your hair already like starting to lock or whatever, you're at that stage, wash your hair every 10 days. That's how I do mine. You want your hair to be clean. You do not want your hair to be dry and stank. Wash your hair every 10 days. It's gonna help. It's gonna help. I'm telling you guys. But you don't want to wash it too often. You don't. Sometimes I wait like 2 weeks. Wash it every 14 days. But it's your choice. But wash your hair every 10 to 14 days. Sixth tip I have for you guys is keep getting a retwist. You don't want to get a retwist too soon, but you want to at least get it like every month and a half or 2 months. A healthy retwist schedule Gonna help your hair grow a lot faster. You don't want to wait 3 months or 4 months to get a retwist. I don't know who does that, and I don't know. Just don't do that. Get a retwist every month and a half to 2 months. Keeping your hair retwist, getting all that extra new growth coming down, you know? Get it retwisted up, man. Cause right now I got a lot of new growth. I ain't gonna lie. It was a little minute since I got my retwist. So I'm about to get one real soon. Be on the lookout for that video. But yeah, get a retwist every 1 month and a half to 2 months. And other than that, you should be straight, man. That's all the tips I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up if you find any of these tips helpful. And if you guys are starting dreads or you already had dreads, DM me on Instagram and send me your pictures and videos of your dreadlocks. I'm gonna start doing a lot of dreadlock reviews for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you got dreadlocks, comment below. Stay locked, man. Almighty Gus. I'm out. Peace.
I say right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with the heater. The devil under your feet, you on your way to see him. Stretch me when I can't sleep, bang on when I see you. Play with me, you can't.